Okay, I'm standing here with our newest couples Body by Vi Challenge winners, Matt and Annette Jeffries. But their story is far more powerful, I believe, than just their losing. How much between the two of you? 150 pounds between the two of you. Can you just briefly tell me who else is on the challenge with you and how much has your entire family lost in less than 90 days? In 90 days? Just so in 90 days, please.
We have a family of four. I have two sons, and the oldest one is 22. His name's Jake. He's in college. And my youngest, Luke, he's a junior in high school. He's 16, about ready to be 17. Jake started out at around 315 pounds. He's now down into 250 range. So he's lost somewhere around 65 pounds himself. Luke started out at 287 or 278. Yeah, about 280. And he's now down to 208 pounds. He's lost an incredible amount of weight. And anyone at that age, you know, just he's bouncing off the walls right now. It's ecstatic. I myself started out right at 300 pounds, and right now I'm at 235. But my phenomenal feat was not only did I lose that body fat count, I gained almost 35 pounds of muscle mass.
35 pounds of muscle.
From the protein part of the shake.
In 90 days.
In 90 days. And Annette, she went from a size 18 down to a size 6 now. Just phenomenal amount of weight. How much was it? 90. She lost 90 pounds.
90 pounds! It's incredible!
So it's one thing for everybody to want to do this individually, and I push anyone to try the 90-day challenge. But what was more fantastic was that we did it as a family of four, and every single person in our family just had an astonishing change in my life. Now everybody's just, like I said, bouncing off the energy's there. Everybody's always wanting to do something. Nobody wants to sit around. It's like they have ants in their pants. And it's just, what's next? What's next? And I have the boys texting us left and right now saying, what's next? What's next?
Wow.
So I couldn't tell you.
So what's going on in your garage?
Well, in our garage is where we